conventional helicopter, 2 separate heads. What this means is we can alter the lift between the 2 heads to perform the attitude change that we require. So after this pedal turn, which is very similar to a slow turn with a fixed wing aircraft, Redbull expertly demonstrates the differential collective pitch with the move we like to call the roller coaster. So next to the roller coaster, right to the back of the side of the seat, increase the lift, and after increase the lift on the outside, the attitude change you see there. First thing I'm going to stick forward, increase the lift in every head, and increase the head, and go down attitude increase there. So most of this display is not very operational in context, it's just a short performance of the Chinook. However, after this linking wing over, the next move that we'll do will demonstrate an operational capability of the Chinook. So after this linking wing over to the right then, we're going to perform what we call the nose down to 70 quick stop. So as I've said, this has operational context within the Chinook's operating theatre. It allows us to slow a very fast aircraft down to 0 in the area approximately the size of a football pitch. The reason we do this is to avoid being low and slow over enemy territory and thus reducing the aircraft's vulnerability to enemy fire. So coming in now about 100 knots, 110 miles an hour, the aircraft will stick the nose down, rotate on the axis and stop the aircraft there. Because the aircraft right now, where it's stationed out